Well, meanwhile, in our kitchen today, Joy McCabe has a recipe that is perfect for serving with shrimp.
Hi everyone, I'm getting ready for a holiday party and I'm making boiled shrimp with cocktail sauce. And in addition to the cocktail sauce, I'm making a remoulade sauce. And I want to show you how I do that because it is really simple and so delicious. First thing, I've got mayonnaise here in my bowl. I'm going to add in some Creole mustard and I'll show you what the Creole mustard looks like. It's in a small jar and it will actually say Creole mustard on the bottle, and you'll look for this on the shelf right next to all the other mustards. Next, I'm adding in some chopped fresh parsley, some paprika, a little kosher salt, fresh lemon juice, and some chopped garlic. So you'll just continue to stir your remoulade sauce till it's creamy and everything is well combined. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, that garlic and the fresh herbs, the parsley, yum. So to serve this dish, I have my shrimp here in a bowl, the cocktail sauce, and our remoulade sauce here is in a separate bowl. I'll serve it right next to the shrimp. I did buy already cooked shrimp. No shell, but the tail is on, which is important because you need a handle for dipping. You know, shrimp cocktail and boiled shrimp is always going to be a big hit at parties. It's just a favorite. And for the recipe, you can go to joymccabe.com or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Thanks everybody and Merry Christmas.